Hello, my friend. Are you looking for a real review of Video Exit Pop by Matthew McDonald? I got it coming up for you right now. Hello, my friend. It is Danny Forts here from laptop9to5.com, helping you earn a passive income part-time without all the hustle and grind. Are you looking to grab all the attention of your website visitors, literally grab them by the throat to get them to click on the link that's on the page? Well, this is the product for you, my friend. So let me show you a video exit pop, okay? So here's the thing. When you see it over, I guess I should reset this or let's go like this. Let's refresh the page first, okay? So this is the page, and then if someone tries to exit the page, and I guess I gotta wait for it to load. You're gonna see that this is a pop-up here that has a call to action button, and you can have some text in here if you want, and all kinds of other things. But as you can see here, if you want to grab website visitors literally by the throat, this might be the tool for you. So I'm going to go in and show you how Video Exit Pop actually works, all the features, benefits, the good, the bad, the ugly. So you can see here, after I've already installed the plugin, that you can go here, click on add new, but we're not going to do that because I already have one set up, and I'm just going to walk you through, and then I'll show you some of the differences of the important parts and not bore you with all the details. So let's do this. Let's jump in here. We're going to take this one here where it says grab the visitors by the throat. Okay, and then there's these steps here, and then these are all some of the peripheral things that I'll talk about later in this video. So we have admin, video, button, theme, and advanced. I'm going to go right into admin. This is where you basically give it a name. You can give it the admin image that you saw on the previous screen, and then I put grab visitors by the throat. That's pretty much it for that part. I know this is really hard, right? Then your video. You can grab a video and put a video image on there, basically a thumbnail if you'd like. And then you have the option for no controls and to no preview the play. So the difference being is for no preview the play, it'll just obviously just be a static image. So for instance, if I do that and hit save changes, right? And then I go over to the next page. Let me again refresh this so you can see. It's gonna obviously take a couple extra seconds to load because I'm recording. Normally it wouldn't take all that long, but as I'm on this page now, I try to leave. You can see here that it pops, and it's basically supposed to have just a static image, and that image is not there. So I think that's actually a bug, but we're going to get back to that in a minute. Let's keep going with the rest of the review. So we go down to button. I put want to grab your visitors by the throat. You can see here, and you can also have a preview of what it looks like as you're editing. And you can put a button link of where you want that button to go, and then you can put the call to action. Whenever you see this sort of small burger stack over here, that means that you can you got some further edits, so you got to drop down. So for instance, on this for the button, we can do the text. Actually, we can do extra large, XXL, and then we can do 3XL. Okay, I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to leave it here at double XL. Let's change up the text color here for a second because I can show you all this stuff as we work. I'm going to put that as purple. I'm going to change this to a purple as well, but we're going to do like a lighter purple in the background there, kind of like that. And then you have that, and then the same thing where so if we hit X, and you can also center it and etc. So we'll do that. And then this other burger stack over here, we can sort of mess with the text on the button. So for instance, we can do the same thing, change the size if we want. We can bold it. We can italicize it. Let's not italicize it. And again, you got these different options, but I'm going to leave it as purple right there. And then it says to expand, open a new tab. You can have the headline and then the footer. So basically, you can put some footer text here. So your footer text here, and then as I go up here and save it, we go over to the page. Let's refresh this. Now this should all be like that lighter purple. This text should be a little bit bigger, etc. So let's just refresh it. Hopefully this one goes right this time. Let's just wait here. There it goes, page loads. And as you can see, that all happened there pretty good. And then you can see here, your footer text would go here. So that's at least all working. So that's great. Again, I do the good, the bad, the ugly. So you can see that not everything is working, but but most of it still is working. So we were on button, and then you have these extra options here. So let's go down to theme. And the theme is you can basically make it a dark theme. And one of the things I didn't say is you can preview your whole video exit pop by just clicking right here. And you can preview it in the window that you're already working on. As you can see, this was the image that I did have that was supposed to be the still image on the other page, but this image is not loading for whatever reason. Okay, so let's continue. So we can do this as a dark theme. Let's preview the dark theme so you can see what that looks like. That's what that looks like there. Pretty simple. Clearing this out. Let's do that. And then let's hit this advanced area here. And now it says preload. You can lock it. You can only have it pop up once. So that means like every time um, you go, every time the visitor tries to leave, it'll keep showing no matter what, instead of just seeing it once. And then there is no button. So let's say if you wanted to take the button off, which I don't know why you wanted to do that, but let's say if you did this, you would have the button and it would just show a video. So basically it could just be a content overlay of some kind if you wanted to do that as well. But let's just go back down here. Let's do lock, and let me show you what lock does. We'll go to the page again. Let's refresh. You can still see here it's still going. So when you go to lock and then you try to click off, it's not going to let you, because you literally have to click on the button if you want to do anything. So that's what I mean by grabbing the website visitor by the throat. Here is the other thing I have noticed. This is supposed to be a script that you could use on other websites and off-site. So the thing that I had happen with mine was I used Matthew's different plugins on different subdomains. So I tried to put this on a different subdomain, okay? And what happened was when I put this code on one of the different pages, it did not work. Now, this is kind of the ugly, and I'm just going to state this just because it makes sense for me. I'm not sure how it makes sense for you. But for me, if Matthew makes these tools, most of these tools should still work within his other tools. So for instance, this code should work on video stack pages. That's the kind of page I put it on, and it did not work. So that's the challenge I'm sort of having, because I don't use a lot of posts, like, blog posts, etc. I get that you can use it for blog posts and pages, but let's face it, if we're a customer of Matthews, we should be able to use these on his other software tools, if that makes sense. So let's just keep going on. That's enough about that. I'll get off my soapbox there. This is where you want to place your exit pop. So again, you can place it on either pages or posts. And so that's the page category. This is the post category. And if I went there, so I have literally no posts on this particular subdomain, but I do have these two pages here. And obviously it's already published. And as you can see, if I go back over here, and let's just say I do want to click and go to whatever this link is, you're going to see that this is, actually, this should have gone to a different page. So that's probably my mistake. Let me put this video on pause and I'll come back. Okay, so now let me show you. I think I got that all figured out. Alrighty. And the thumbnail did load. There was something I did wrong, but it's a minor thing, and I'll show you in a second. But basically, when you go back up here, you can see this load. And if I wanted to click this, I'm just going to open the link in a new tab so I don't lose that page there. You can see it's going to take me. This is to the actual full review. You'll see this review on this page. And this is the review. And you can also see what features come with the Premium Pro version. If you click on the link that's below the video, it'll take you over this page and you can check out your options for the Premium Pro before you ever even pick it up. So as you can see here, now if I were to click this, now the video will actually play. So that was an issue that I made on a mistake that I made on my own when you go down here for the preload. So you don't want to have that preloaded if you do want the thumbnail to actually show. So that being that, let's move over to the next thing, which is active pages, which I just showed you. You have your options between pages and posts. I already have this on a post because the only post that I have here, well, this Hello World is published on a post, okay? So, and then if it was a page, I would have these three options here, or two options, free video training and the sample page, which I do not have because this is basically a subdomain. And then last but not least, you have this. It'll show your conversion rate and statistics. So I clicked on it once. Obviously, that was the only time I clicked on it because I was basically working on it, checking on it, previewing it, etc. I should hope. And then obviously with this, you can refresh the statistics after you're done testing when your page actually goes live. So let me just show you the $408 bonus package when you pick up Video Exit Pop from my link by clicking on the link that's in the video description or somewhere on this page, depending on where you're watching it. Okay, so let's go through here really quick. First is a 20-minute affiliate bonus call. I can basically answer any of your questions, do a consultation, we can shoot the stuff, we can talk strategy, whatever you want to do, but it's a 15 to 20, maybe even 30 minutes-ish if we like each other. We can stay on the call that long, but that is a $47 value. Next, we have the 7 biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make. This is a quick little audio training. Basically, if you avoid these mistakes, you can build a successful online business too. This is valued at $67. It's just one short audio training, and I go through the 7 biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make. Next one of my favorites, the 5 ways to make money with software and earn ridiculous profits. This is a $97 value. And then last but not least, I'm excited about this one. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of hanging out in Facebook groups and all that kind of nonsense. I'm sort of like, I've pulled back from social media a lot. But one of the things I've been working on is I've worked on a laptop 9-to-5 community app using another platform. This is also beneficial because Facebook is doing some things where they're kind of pulling back on groups, okay? And so with that said, if you have groups, you may want to start getting your groups offline or putting them on a different platform, a different place where they can engage and be focused, okay? So this laptop 9-to-5 community app where you can engage, learn, and earn, it's coming soon. It's not ready yet, but if you pick up Video Exit Pop through my link, I'll definitely be sure to include you when you enter your email address and get access to your bonuses. So this is a $197 value, and I can't wait for you guys to check this out. So with that said, my friend, my name is Danny Forts with laptop9to5.com, helping you earn a passive income part-time without all the hustle and grind. See you on the next video. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to me. You can do so if you click that link. Go over to the page where you can see the review and then see the Premium Pro version of the plugin. You can also contact me through that page there. Anyway, take care, have a fantastic day, and always, God bless. If you want to generate more passive income part-time without all the hustle and grind, don't forget to subscribe to laptop9to5.com. That's the number 9, the number 2, the number 5.com. And also smash that notification bell so you get alerted every time we upload money-making content. And check out these other videos that will help you put more profits into your pockets.